Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Uncle Paul Does Stuff. So the stuff I've been doing today is I've been watching other people fly remote control airplanes. They even let me have a go of one of them, of a glider. I flew a few laps around the field with it, which was really helped my confidence. And I hope to go back tomorrow and fly my own plane. But until then, here's a few clips of what I saw people flying today. Yeah, like that, something like that.
Yeah, but on the camera.
Ah, brilliant.
I think I better land that.
Wow! That one really shot off.